Fuel prices hit a record high in Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai, and after 3 days of pause, they have been hiked again. Over 20 paise in petrol and about 15 paise in diesel. Premium petrol in Mumbai has touched, guess what, 100 rupees a litre. We're flashing all those details on your screen. Delhi at the moment, if you go out to purchase some petrol, will cost you about 91 rupees per litre. Diesel a little over 81. In Mumbai, it's 97 for petrol, diesel 88. Premium petrol in Mumbai has crossed 100. Chennai petrol is about 93, diesel 86. And clearly this is something on everybody's mind, and this impacts not just your budgets but also is going to be impacting prices all over. Akshay Dongri joins us now from the national capital. Akshay, we've been, and in fact you've been at the petrol pump for quite some time, and there seems to be every day a new record being broken when it comes to fuel prices. How exactly are the people coping up?
Well, it's very, very difficult, Sonal. First of all, we'll, show exactly what is the petrol price here in the national capital. If you look at the meter, it's 91 rupees 17 paisa for normal petrol. And this is for the first time that the fuel prices have hit a record high in the national capital. If you can see there, that's the meter of petrol, which is at 91 rupees 17 paisa, and the diesel is at 81 rupees 47 paisa. Definitely this is impacting life of not only the middle class but everyone now, because it has become really, really difficult for people, especially in these times, to cope up with already rising inflation and now the fuel prices. And it is not just the vehicles that will be, or the people who have to refuel their vehicles that will be suffering, but the trickle-down effect is going to come down upon all of us. We have a few people who came to get their vehicles refueled. Will try and get their reactions of what they are feeling about this consecutive hike. Ma'am, the fuel prices have increased significantly. After 3 days gap, it has again increased today in Delhi, both petrol and diesel. How do you look at this situation?
I think I'm earning only for the petrol pump owners, because I'm earning for my car only, I guess. I'm refueling it every third day, and I visit Meerut daily. I'm a doctor. I need to go to the Meerut daily. Earlier I used to refuel it once in a week, and this time I need to refuel it thrice in a week. So this is too much on everybody, I guess. Everybody is suffering.
So do you have to make some changes in your budget because of all this?
Obviously, for sure. Like, I need to cut down a lot of important things in my life just for the sake I can visit my hospital, so that my patients won't suffer.
So anything that you would like to convey to the government on how difficult it has started to become for people?
I don't know what to convey. Obviously, they need to reduce the fuel prices, and the biggest mistake which we made is by voting BJP.
Well, we'll speak to some other people now, and it's not just the car owners, but the biggest impact is on the people who are riding on their motorcycles, because these are middle class people. They have to travel every day on their bikes. They have to get their vehicles refueled. Now many are switching to electric vehicles, but there are some who cannot afford that and who cannot afford to buy electric vehicles, and we'll try and understand from them that what is the impact on them. Sir, एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये पेट्रोल के जो दाम बढ़ रहे हैं, इससे कितना असर पड़ रहा है आपके ऊपर?
अरे कोई असर नहीं पड़ रहा भाई,
कोई असर नहीं पड़ रहा है आपके ऊपर. So this gentleman apparently has no impact of petrol, but we'll try and understand from others who are here. There are many who are frustrated, in fact, Sonal, because they don't even know what to say. भाई साहब, पेट्रोल के दाम जो बढ़ रहे हैं लगातार, उससे क्या लग रहा है, कुछ कटौती करनी पड़ रही है बजट में, कुछ असर दिख रहा है आपको?
ये थोड़ी बहुत तो आफत है जी उससे, क्योंकि काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रही है. पहले कम दिक्कत थी, अब ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है.
तो रोज़ की बाइक चलती है आपकी, रोज़ बाइक से आना जाना?
हाँ जी, रोज़ आना जाना होता है.
तो उससे कितना असर पड़ा है, मतलब आपके बजट में?
पहले पेट्रोल कम लगती थी, अब ज़्यादा लग रही है. पहले रेट भी कम थे और अब ज़्यादा हो गए.
जी, उसी की बात करें, मतलब रेट जो बढ़े हैं उससे कितनी समस्या हो रही है?
उससे काफ़ी समस्या हो रही है हमको
जी.
जैसे पहले कहीं जाना होता था 1-2 किलोमीटर हम ज़्यादा फालतू चले जाते थे, अब उससे कम हो जा रहा है.
तो कटौती करनी पड़ रही है. So people have to cut down on their traveling. They have to cut down, especially in these lockdowns. There are we saw that there was a huge job losses on different sectors. Right. People have to look for jobs as well. They have to travel for that, and that
Akshay,
is the biggest issue for a
intervene
lot
at
of
this
people.
Point and request you to again go back and perhaps get one more word from people. Do they understand at this point that the spike in these prices is majorly because of the taxes the government has levied. Because globally, we've been highlighting this constantly that crude oil prices have gone down. In fact, India was one of those countries where we did not get the benefit actually transferred to us once the crude oil prices were down. So do people on the ground understand that difference, and how do they want to take it forward?
Well, definitely we'll try and understand from the people and try and speak to the people on what they feel regarding this significant hike, and whether they understand that what is the reason, how the drop in crude oil prices not being transferred to them. So, भाई साहब एक बात छोटी सी पूछना चाहता हूँ मैं आपसे. पेट्रोल के जो दाम लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं, आप मतलब आपको कारण पता है कि क्यों, क्या क्या कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है अभी?
देखो, इसमें तो कह नहीं सकते. देखो, ये तो गवर्नमेंट है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, टैक्स आगे से भी बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, कुछ कह सकते हैं, सरकार भी बढ़ा है. बट ये है कि उनमें देखो टैक्स ये है कि धीरे धीरे करके बाहर निकलेगा. ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी कारण है.
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि जो क्रूड ऑयल की जो प्राइस है, कच्चा तेल के जो दाम है, अगर वो पूरे वैश्विक स्तर पर गिर रहे हैं तो उसका फायदा आम जनता को नहीं हो रहा है? पेट्रोल के दाम तो लगातार बढ़ते जा रहे हैं.
यस सर, ये तो बात है कि पेट्रोल के दाम मतलब लगातार बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. हम पे फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. हमको पहले 100 रुपये में मैं डलवाता था, 99 रुपये में, तो 1 लीटर से भी ऊपर आता. अब मैंने 117 रुपये का था, 1.25 लीटर है. अब बताइए.
लगता है कि सरकार को कुछ टैक्सेस कम करने चाहिए, कुछ राहत देनी चाहिए जनता को.
यस सर.
So there you have it, Sunil. People do realize that it is because of the high taxes that the government is levying on the fuel, and that is the reason that despite drop in crude oil prices, the prices of petrol that we buy is not going down.